beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a wig video. I have received a unit from Ishow Hair. Big ups to them. I have not even looked at this wig, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. DHL Express, Ishow Hair. Now, let's see what we have here. Oh, they have 20 years of manufacturing experience. 3 to 5 working day delivery. That's always a good thing. Here's the unit and lashes. Yeah, lashes usually come with these. Okay, this is 20 inches. What is going on? Oh, okay. This is in here with a little clip, paper clip. I was like, dang, this is the new wigs. They got paper clips on them. Now, okay, so, ooh, nice and pretty. Beautiful waves, you guys. Check that out. Yes, Ishow, okay. Nice and soft. All right, I can see why they got the 30 days. Yeah, I like that. This is what the inside construction looks like. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. Oh, a paper clip just fell. Adjustable strap is here. They got it tucked, honey. Done. It's here. Just trust. You see that strap? So you would need to bleach these knots or do the makeup customization, or you'll see a lot of knots. This is not pre-bleached. It looks like it was pre-plucked a little bit, but y'all know I'm gonna go in there and do what I do, cause so excuse these old OG, triple OG braids. I done had these in for a little bit. Real quick. Hold on. I'ma slick these edges back because I don't want any piece of my hair out. Yeah, I'll be leaving y'all edges out, honey. I salute. I can't do it. I'm scared. And y'all be using that glue too. I don't do it. I can't do it. The got to be gel is close enough. Sure, I may only get a 2-day hold, but I'll just reapply. Okay, if I need to. Plus, I'm not wearing no wig for 2 days unless I'm in a movie. Holla, I act. Okay. Out of the way. Now that I've gotten those out of the way, okay, I'm not going to do anything with the adjustable strap right now. I'm not going to cut any of the lace. There's lace on the back too. So for like a low ponytail, this is not a 360, but you can definitely do a low ponytail with this. I just like to see what I'm working with. Ooh, this is a nice, good fit. My head is like small in wig terms, wig measurements. My head is small. So when I get one that fits really nicely, I like it. And I haven't adjusted anything. So here's where we are right now. I like the length. This is 20 inches. So I like that. I like that. Oh me, oh me, oh me, oh my. Okay. I'm gonna have some nice ear tabs. Okay, y'all, so let me see what I can do with this. I'm not gonna bleach the knots. I'm gonna use the concealer method. Let's see what we can do with this. I like it though. I like it already, honey. Yes, come on, curls. Ooh. Okay, Ishow. We gonna see. We gonna see. Oh, and for those of you who don't know, I just got micro shaded yesterday, so there's no there's nothing on my brows. Nothing, just brow. So I'm in the middle of vlogging that too. So I'll have that video out for you soon within the next 2 weeks because I'm vlogging my healing process as well for you guys who wanted to know. But yeah, so if you kind of see like, why is her brows glistening like that, girl? What she got on her brows? Is that new? What is that? That's some good old Neosporin.